Simple like you, in a world full of grandeur and gold. It's the simple things that hold a beauty so pure, so true, like the essence of you. You walk with grace, unassuming, a quiet strength ever blooming. In your simplicity, I find a peace that calms my mind. You don't need the glitter or the fame, for in your heart there's no shame. To be just who you are, a simple soul, a shining star. Your laughter, a melody so sweet. Your kindness, a gentle beat. In the chaos of this life, you are the calm, the light. You don't seek the spotlight's glare, content with love, with care. In your eyes, a world so bright, a beacon in the darkest night. Simple like you, a rare find, a treasure, a heart so kind. In your simplicity, I see the beauty of humanity. You don't need to change or pretend. For in your truth, there's no end to the love you freely give. In your simplicity, I live. So here's to you, simple and true, a soul so pure like morning dew. In your simplicity, I find a love that's gentle kind.